The predicament in which Continental philosophy finds itself academically is that Continental philosophy is, because of its rich heritage, only allowing for commentaries over commentaries. So I agree that it's necessary that, for example, a PhD and first publications need to be on the tradition. One needs to understand what one is talking about and how one relates to the tradition. However, there is a complete stifling of any original work. A work such as Heidegger's Being and Time or Hegel's Phenomenology of Spirit would today be impossible. It wouldn't find a publisher. Prove me wrong if you know of anything out there that is, that is original. There certainly will be books, but they won't be as groundbreaking. And the reason for that is, as I said, related, the predicament of Continental philosophy.